Hi, it's Keith from Scam Reviews. Today is January the 9th, 2017. It's a Monday, and I've had a lot of great feedback from my IQ option trading video, and a lot of people have asked me to explain my strategy. So I thought I'd take this time to do a nice, calm, explained strategy on on how I find out which direction I'm going to trade on and why I was able to make that money, and hopefully you can do the same. Now, you can either do it with OptionBot, okay? OptionBot has one-click instant executable trades, okay? You only have to deposit 500 euros at OptionBot. If you go to IQ Option, really you want to be using the VIP account, which is a $3,000 deposit. So it's either IQ if you want to deposit $3,000, or OptionBot if you want to deposit 500. But yeah, they both have the instant one-click executable trades. Now I'm going to do the analysis using the OptionBot Pro charts, which you can see in front of you. But I'll be doing the trading on IQ Option. But IQ Option and OptionBot have very, very similar interfaces. OptionBot's kind of more of an 8-bit, whereas, you know, it's high def on IQ. But they do essentially the same thing. But there is a little bit of latency on the click to execute on IQ, which is a little bit shit. Only a little bit shit, you know. I'm not going to slam it too much. So look, what you need is you need a pen and you need a piece of paper. Now, I'm on AUD USD, as you can see, and if I hover over on this side, you can see a number, and it says 0.7338. Okay, now that's 0.7338. If that was on IQ Option, it would say 0.73380 or 1 or 9 or whatever. It's got 5 to 6 decimal points on IQ, which makes this sort of analysis a little bit trickier. Now, you've just seen here that that's just bounced up from 788 to 734. That's because we've got here what's known as a support line. Okay, so that means it's not going below, at the moment, it's not going below 7338. So if I go over to IQ Option, and I'll just refresh the page, I've just deposited 300 euros into IQ Option. And I'm going to show you how to do a reverse trade. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a small trade. This is my strategy. I go in with a small trade for around about 10, 50 euros, whatever, at the strike rate. And then if it gets to a better entry point before my time to place a trade has passed, I will put in a bigger trade. So I'm going to look for 0.7338. So if I just go to, if I close these off, get rid of these, there we go, and go to AUD USD, okay. Don't let your emotion get involved as well, okay. If you fuck up, you fuck up. Just move on to another currency pair. So I'm going to go for a 50 euro trade. If it hits 7338, at the moment it's on 734, and I've got to this white line to place a trade. 734 is going up, but it hasn't gone to 733. Now I don't want to execute it until it says 733, because at the end of the day, until that says 733, you know, look, that's the support line. It can still go down to this 7338. If I just refresh the graph, so you can see, look, it's not going below it. In fact, it's not going below 7339 at the moment, but I want 7338 because I don't want it to go past it. Now, I know that it's going up. As you can clearly see, there's an upward trend, okay? But I need to get the best entry point, and it's all about a good entry point. So I don't want to go in at 734, for example, because I don't want like now, for example, if I was to go in now on a call trade, it might hit the support line. Okay, it's on the up, but it's not a diagonal line that goes straight. There's lots of peaks and troughs, and that you've got to strike at the right time. So this could take a while. Okay, it could take a while. I'm not committed to AUD USD. Okay, there is no reason for me to only place a trade on AUD USD at the moment. There is some news in the there was some news at 12:30 this morning, which was the housing something in Australia, which has caused it to spike a little bit. But you know, I'm not committed to it. I could choose any currency, so I'm going to go to Euro GBP, see what's happening with that. Now that's got heavy support and resistance, and it's climbing here. I'm not going to lie, I've just lost the Euro GBP trade, and I'm going to move on from that one because that's otherwise it gets personal. Here we go, Euro Japanese yen. This is a nice upward trend, but it's very up. You know, it hasn't got this support line, so that could buck at any point. But it seems like a solid. Oh, hold on. Oh, look, we've got our entry point. Fuck it, I'm going with 300. Bang, straight in. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's just really lucky. Yeah, I managed to get that at, where did I get that? I managed to get that at 337. I managed to get it at 337. So I got it below the support line, which is nice. It means it's a very, very advantageous point. I am pretty certain that's going to come in. To 258 euro return. But go back over to the charts to AUD USD. And just have a look. Yeah, you can see the bounce. There we go. It's 7338 on the bounce. It's gone up. Fantastic. So now all we just wait for is for that to expire. And then I got that money in the bank. Okay. And I'm actually going to process my withdrawal probably straight after that trade because I'm quite happy. I'm quite happy that I've just managed to increase my money by looking at the support line and go, brilliant, I'm going to have that. Now that was luck well, it wasn't luck that the trade's coming in, it was good analysis, but it was luck that it dipped down to the right entry point. And that's, you know, I wrote that number down, I wrote 7338 down, as you can see, and you can see that I bought it at 7337. That's just come in. Bish, bosh, bash. There we go. 558 pucker. So yeah, now obviously if it dips back down to the support line, which it has, hey, another entry point. There we go. So I've just done another 300 euro trade. It's down there. Like I did click it at the bottom, but like I say, that couple of seconds that was a little bit too late has meant that it's not quite as good at entry point. But I'm still happy with it. It's still going to be money in the bank for me. Okay. Now, if you do want to benefit from that instant one-click execution, look, go to optionbot.net. You can use optionbot.net as well, and you've got the charts there for analysis. You know, the charts are all there. I'm not going to flick over to the graphs. Let's just see that glorious moment where it comes in. Very, very chuffed. Very, very chuffed. Woohoo! Fucking have it. There we go. So there's that. Now, do I want to push it? Do I want to push it? Well, look, if it goes back down to the support line, if you just go over to the graphs, okay, I'll refresh the graphs over on OptionBot. Okay, the support line standing firm at 0338. You know, if it dips way below again, there is going to be a good opportunity to get in. But I think I should be really happy with that, to be honest. So now look, the problem that I've got now, okay, is I'm not going to lie, I've got a little bit of adrenaline going, okay, my legs are getting a bit wobbly, and I feel like I'm fucking king of the world and that I can win fucking, you know, another 20 trades in a row. But the reality is I set in my mind a maximum number of losing trades was 2, and I would stop, and a maximum amount of money that I wanted to make was I wanted to make 1,000. Now, true, one more trade would get me up to 1,000. Okay, I only need to. There we go. Bang on the. Oh no! Look at that. Now that's fucking shit. That's the only problem with the delay. I've just gone in with a $200 euro trade because it dipped down, as you can see, to 7338. And then I clicked it, but then it's waited a couple of seconds and it's gone in at 33874. I've still got it at 07338 though, as you can see. That is the number that I wrote down. That's the number that I'm trading on. And this, if it does come in, will put me over 1,000 euros. And that's me fucking happy for the day. And that's all there is to it. You just have to find that good support line when it's on a steady upward trend. It does look like this might not be that kind to me now. It's a very close one. It would have been better if it had done that instant one-click execution, but it's in the money, so I'm happy. There we go. Yeah, so there we go, 988 euros. I will just get a 30 euro trade ready if it does drop down, because I just want to get that 1,000 out. You know, it's just a nice feeling. But it could be that the support line has passed, because it's now steadily climbing quite a lot. It's you know, it is anybody's guess as to whether it will go back down to those points. Now look, if you want to try this strategy, look, you can try it. Click the link below, head over to IQ Option, you can sign up for a demo, you can practice it. If you want to get the instant one click, which I didn't have, okay, you need to be a VIP with IQ. It's 3,000 you've got to put in. Doesn't mean you've got to play $1,000 trades, but to be a VIP, you've got to put 3,000 in. And yeah, you need to, if you want to start off with a smaller amount, optionbot.net, trust me guys, okay, I was part of the development of it. It's a fab bit of software. You can do exactly what you can do on IQ, and you can execute it quicker. But yeah, it's the charts at OptionBot that are the graphs. These are the ones that are perfect for analysis for binary options trading. So look, click the link below, check out optionbot.net, get your hands on the graphs. And if you want to use this method, you can use it at IQ Option or OptionBot. Very fucking chuffed. I'm not going to go in with another trade because it's now gone past that line, as you can see here. Look, it's fucking rocketed up. There will be another short. Look, it's flattened off now, so this could be that this is a new support line, but I'm not confident enough in the performance of. I'm not confident enough in the performance of anything else, really. And, you know, that's my daily amount. $1,000 is fucking fine. It is fine by me. So 700 euro return. I'm quite happy with that. Oh, it's dipping down. Oh, dear. It was on 7338 just then. I did just fucking miss it. What a cunt. That was because I was looking at the graphs. But, you know, this is where it could get. It's on 73388. There we go. I'll have a 30 euro trade. Now, what concerns me, and the reason why I've gone with such a small trade here, is that if I just go back to AUD USD, it does look like it's kind of reached its peak. It's got a resistance line of 0.7345. Okay, just go back to IQ just so you can see this one come in. Now, it's got a resistance line of 7345, which means if it gets to 7345, I could place a reverse trade. Is that up here? Yeah, no, it's a lot higher. It's a lot higher. Woohoo! Over $1,000, guys. Look at that. Okay, it was, I think I've pushed that too far, if you look, really. Look, I wouldn't have done that with a big amount of money because we haven't got the big peaks and troughs. What I would be happy doing is a large trade in reverse at 7345. What's this? 74351. Yeah, so we're talking, let's zoom out a bit. Where my cursor is, yeah, a lot higher than my cursor is. It seems to be going down now. And look, the reason that you can't trade support and resistance all day long is you lose the last trade when it passes. So we're getting to a very funny territory now, where quite simply it's gone from being a bit of a party to. Yeah. Oh, then again, it's still quite reliable, but that is support and resistance. You know, that'll pass at some point. It'll break, and there's been steady growth. I mean, if we go to the 3-day view, that is literally the highest. It is right up there, close to the highest point it's been over the last few days. If I go to the 30-day view on IQ, it's still a lot lower than it could have been. So. Look, this is the highest point here over the 30-day view. So it's not like the Aussie dollar is in complete disrepair. It could just be correcting itself. But you know, you've got to set yourself goals. And oh look, 7338 again. Oh dear. Oh, he's gone and done it with a. He's got it at 7338 with another 500. That could have been. That could have been bad, and it still could be bad. I'll tell you why it could be bad is, if we just go to day view now and just have a look, we're at a point now where it's getting very predictable, but it's hard to tell at which point it's going to finish. And the thing is that support line just 4 or 5 hours ago, 2 hours ago, was lower. It was at 7337. I'm just going to refresh the graph. See if it's dipped below it. It doesn't seem to have, so let's go to IQ. I can't really watch it. It's getting a bit painful, really. But you've got to set yourself goals. And look, you've got to have fucking bollocks, okay? You need to have a nice, big, fat pair of plump, fucking juicy bollocks and be prepared to suck it up when you fuck up. Which I believe that I might have just pushed it a bit too far. But look, once again, look, let me just say, you can see the strike point and you can see the number I've written down. Okay, I wrote the number down, 07338. It was really that fucking, wow, that's, oh my God, my ass. Oh. There we go. Woohoo! Ha ha! Get in. Right then. So yeah. So that's that. That's how you do it. And yeah, you just have to do it like that. So if you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. I genuinely am fucking over the moon about that. Yeah, I actually lost a couple of trades just before I started recording. So I've for 200 euros, in fact. So I'm well back in the money. So I'm fucking chuffed with that. So look, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to do another video on IQ for at least 3 days until I get this withdrawal. I want this money back in my Skrill because I don't want to fucking risk it. So I'll do another video of that withdrawal. But like I said, guys, look, if you like these videos, please subscribe to my videos for more. If you want to try out, you can either try it out with the IQ option or you can try it out an option bot. Option bot, like I said, it's got the one-click instant execution. It is worth its weight in gold. It's the only piece of software that has that workaround for brokers. So I highly recommend you try that. So look, that's it from me. It's getting a lot higher now. Look, climbing. Oh my God, could it go up to fucking 7345? Oh, well, you know what? Set yourself goals. I'm happy with that. 1,000 was my goal. I got greedy. It paid off. But I'm going to leave it at that. So thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the link below to try out option bot or IQ option and have a fucking awesome week.